Perched atop Mount Rumney, the Mount Rumney Residence is a stunning example of contemporary Australian architecture. Designed to harmonize with its steep, rugged site, the home features bold horizontal lines and angular forms that contrast with the natural landscape. The inverted hill house plan places the garage at the top level, with the living spaces below, creating a seamless flow from entry to breathtaking views of Pittwater and southeastern Tasmania. The interior of Mount Rumney Residence is a seamless blend of minimalist design and natural tranquility. The GB masonry blockwork used for walls and ceilings creates a calm, monolithic backdrop, highlighting the craftsmanship and precision of the design. Large windows frame breathtaking views of Pittwater and the Tasmanian landscape, allowing natural light to flood the space and blur the lines between indoors and outdoors. The facade of Mount Rumney Residence is a striking display of modern minimalism, with bold horizontal lines and folded forms that contrast the rugged mountain terrain. Crafted from GB masonry blocks in a matte porcelain finish, the exterior exudes crisp precision while maintaining a soft, monolithic presence. The pleated entry porch, with its meticulously mitered angles, creates a dramatic yet refined introduction to the home, seamlessly blending architecture with the natural landscape. The indoor living space of Mount Rumney Residence is an open, light-filled retreat that prioritizes simplicity and connection to nature. Smooth GB masonry blockwork provides a calm, minimalist backdrop, while expansive windows frame panoramic views of Pittwater and the Tasmanian landscape. The seamless flow between spaces emphasizes functionality and serenity, allowing the natural surroundings to take center stage. The kitchen of Mount Rumney Residence combines sleek functionality with minimalist elegance. Set against the smooth GB masonry blockwork, its clean lines and muted tones create a seamless, modern aesthetic. Ample natural light and views of the Tasmanian landscape enhance the space, making it both practical and serene. The floor plan of Mount Rumney Residence is an inverted hill house design, placing the garage at the top level with living spaces cascading below. This unique layout maximizes the steep slope, offering a seamless flow from the entry to the breathtaking views. Open-plan interiors connect effortlessly, creating a harmonious blend of functionality and natural beauty. Mount Rumney Residence is a masterful blend of modern architecture and natural beauty, designed to harmonize with its rugged Tasmanian landscape. The inverted floor plan, minimalist materials, and precise craftsmanship create a home that feels both grounded and expansive. With its striking facade, serene interiors, and panoramic views, the residence stands as a testament to innovative design and a deep connection to its environment.